Okay, so I am currently moving, and for some stupid ass reason, I thought I'll hire a van for a few days and I'll move it all by myself because, you know, we love an independent girl. And I don't know why the hell I did this because it would have been so much cheaper to get a remove list. However, I just thought, fuck it, I don't need no man, and this is where we're at. Curious, I'm actually probably going to be homeless after this because I haven't found a place to live. I'm just booked a storage unit, but I'm doing my skydiving license course anyway, so I'll be gone for a week, so it gives me more time, and plus I have my family, so like I'm not technically home. You excited to move? You excited to move?
Later that same evening.
God.
The next day.
I miss you. I miss you, Charlie.
Goodbye, my lover. Oh, no. Goodbye, my friend. You have been the one. You have been the one for me. Goodbye, my lover. Goodbye, my friend.
3 days later.
Update everyone on my little vlog, but I'm sick, so I had to reschedule my skydiving license for tomorrow, and it's now next month, and we got approved for a house, so we move in 1st of February. I'm so pumped. Thanks to my parents for taking me in for a week.